So hello and welcome to SBC, SB Cinema. Today I want to show you how to open one of those new IKEA light bulbs. It's LED and made out of plastic, but there is, you see it, there isn't this part like this one here. I've shown in a different video how to open them. And yeah, that's actually a neat design because it makes them more like the standard light bulbs that go all the way down. It's better for light distribution. So now let me show you how to open them. What you need is, brute force, but not that much. You hold it here and you gently move it just a little bit. And then, once you have it loose, you can just about take it out. Turning it a bit helps to free the remaining glue. That can be a bit stubborn. Like this one here, for example. The last one did go far easier, but it's like, come on. Don't disappoint me. The reason why I'm careful here is, you will see in a second. But yeah, you see, it's all a matter of leverage. And you see what comes out. Isn't that interesting? There are dozens of opportunities here. It's quite an interesting design, let me show you. It does have a it's a bit bright, right? It goes down one step. So, yeah. It is a flexible circuit board that wraps around some piece of metal. And you can even dismantle them further by simply removing this little tabby here. That's the bottom contact, just like this. And now you just, it's of course a bit harder now, but you're able to just unscrew this. Ta-da! Isn't that great? This comes apart so easy. And yeah, there we go. Here we have the internals. The one wire is just folded over because they can't solder to aluminium. And yeah, sure. It's just as easy as this. Put them together, not that the capacitor wants to charge. And now we are able to probably even to pull this one out. I haven't disassembled it so far, but yeah. I'm sure we could get this out of there if we try to pry it out carefully. A bit of wiggling and waiting. But yeah. So you could of course hack it. It seems to have a capacitive dropper circuit, so put a smaller capacitor in here and it doesn't light up that bright anymore, but it will last for ages and consume less energy. Let's see if we can push this down here. Ah, this appears to be aluminium. Excuse the rattling sound in the background. MacBook decided to look for an update that is not longer existing. Yeah, whoops. This was fast. Yeah, and there we go. We just had to free this little connector piece here. That's a very interesting style. Right. We got a resistor here. capacitor, a bunch of capacitors here. 3 capacitors, tick tick tick. 2 electrolytic capacitors, and this seems to be an inductor. That's a fusible resistor. The power connections and the rest of the connections. Yeah. Bridge rectifier, control chips. Yeah, have to look closer in the circuit if we can't just put one resistor out to hack it to be less bright and last longer. But the interesting thing about this is now you're able to open it without destroying it, so you can mod it in every way imaginable. I mean, just stuck this back on here, it will fit. If you press it back on, it stays on, and it's completely disassemblable without destroying it, which is great. I mean, yeah. And a little spoiler, I have developed a method to disassemble those without destroying them. Haha. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. Now you know how to disassemble one of those new style IKEA bulbs. It's very nice, but just screw in here. Then it's made out of aluminium. Not completely solid aluminium, but at least it's metal, so it gives a bit of a heat shielding down here. Yeah, I guess this is actually on here to glue this thing on, but yeah, I don't know it. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you next time.